In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a client from your dashboard. Before we begin, a quick note on context. Deleting a client is a permanent action in many systems, and it may remove related records like notes, invoices, or project links, depending on how your workspace is set up. Make sure you have the right level of permission, and double check that you truly want to remove this client rather than simply archive or hide them if your platform offers those options. Let's get started by navigating to the Clients area. On the left side of your screen, you'll see the main navigation panel. Look for the section labeled Clients and click it. If your sidebar is collapsed, hover over it or expand it so the labels appear clearly. Opening the Clients section brings up your full list where you can scan through names, use the search bar, or apply filters to locate the record you have in mind. Take a moment here to confirm you're looking at the correct workspace or account, especially if you manage multiple teams. Next, choose the client you want to delete. Click directly on that client's name to open their profile or details page. This is a good time to verify everything matches the record you intend to remove. Review key identifiers, recent activity, or any linked items that might be affected. If anything looks uncertain, pause and confirm with your team or check your data retention policies before you proceed. With the client selected, move to the upper right area of the screen. You'll find a menu labeled More Actions. Depending on your interface, it may appear as 3 dots, a gear icon, or a small drop-down. Click on More Actions to reveal the available management options for this client. From the list that appears, click Delete. This option is typically highlighted or separated to indicate it's a sensitive action. Many platforms will display a confirmation prompt asking you to verify that you want to proceed. Read the message carefully so you understand what will be removed and whether it can be undone. If your system requires a brief confirmation, that's normal and is designed to prevent accidental deletions. That's all there is to it. To recap, you open the Client section on the left, select the client you want to remove, go to the More Actions menu in the top right, and choose Delete. Take your time with each step, make sure you're acting on the correct record, and confirm only when you're ready.